Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by aligning prerequisites and taking immediate action. Install Python 3. 10. Set up a virtualenv and provision a GPU instance if you plan local inference. Next, choose whether you want a local model or a cloud API. Each has trade-offs in latency, cost, and privacy. Once done, acquire API keys or download model weights and create a minimal project repo. Make sure to configure secure storage for credentials. This avoids secrets leaking as you progress. Now you build the middle. Assemble components and connect them with clear contracts. Implement ASR for voice, NLU for intent, a dialogue manager to orchestrate state, and TTS for responses. Wire them over a message bus like Redis or webhooks so components remain decoupled. Integrate skills as adapters with retries and timeouts, and insert logging telemetry at each step. Make sure to include authentication and rate limiting at service boundaries to protect against abuse and unexpected costs. Finish by hardening, deploying, and preparing to debug in production. Add automated tests for intents and integrations, containerize services, and deploy with canaries so you catch regressions early. Set SLOs for latency and error rates, wire alerts, and create a user feedback loop to improve responses. If things go wrong, check structured logs, replay failed events, validate incoming inputs for encoding issues, and clear caches or restart only the affected service. This targeted approach reduces downtime and speeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.